Hey, Big Dipper, welcome back to math. I hope you had a great time adding with regrouping on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So, this week, you guys have been working on addition with regrouping, and so we're going to review our checklist just in case to be on the safe side. So, let's remember that we check our sign, making sure that we are adding. Let's remember to always add our ones first, and then we regroup to our tens. We add our tens, and then you are all done. So I first want to say how amazing you all have been doing in doing your math work. I love seeing some of your math work that your moms and dads are sending me, and keep up the great work. I'm very proud of all of you. Now, today we are going to continue solving word problems. So let's remember some of our addition words. And as you can see on our screen, our first word is combined. Combined is a word we use when we are adding two numbers together. So for example, combined 5 plus 2. That means that we are going to add. Or I can also say combined 5 and 2. When we hear the word combined, we are going to think of addition. Oh, we have two new words, all together. All together is another word we use in math when we want to add in our word problems. So for example, Maxwell has 20 cars and Jonah has 40 cars. How many cars do they have all together? So in that example, I use the word all together, and you are going to add. Another math word is sum. So an example of using the word sum is, what is the sum of 5 and 3? When we hear the word sum, we know we need to add. Another math word is join. So in this example, let's join 10 and 5. The word join also tells us that we are going to add the numbers in our problem. In all. The word in all is another math word that we think about and use when we are solving addition word problems. So, for example, Aiden has 40 pieces of Legos. Theo has 30 pieces of Legos. How many pieces of Legos do they have in all? So in that example, we will be adding the numbers together because the word in all tells us that's what we need to do. Add. Oh, just add. When we see the word add in our word problems, we know that we are going to add. So for example, add 2 and 2. What are we going to do? We are going to add. Another math word is more. So more is another math word. So for example, Jamie has 20 cookies and Rosa has 3 more cookies. How many cookies do they have all together? So in that example, we have two addition words. We have more and all together. So we know that we're definitely going to add. So to conclude, our math words when we are thinking about addition is sum, join, add, all together, combine, more, and in all. Let's try to find some of the math vocabulary in the next few word problems. Carol has 25 hair ties. Her mom gives her another 25 hair ties. How many hair ties does Carol have combined? So now will be a great time to pause the video and find the word in the word problem that matches our addition vocabulary words. Okay, did you guys guess that our clue here is the word combined? Combined tells us that we are going to add 25 plus 25. Now, if you would like to solve this math problem, pause the problem and give it a try. Make sure you use your addition checklist and your manipulatives. Amazing. Did you try to solve 25 plus 25? And was your answer 50? Way to go on challenging yourself. Let's see what our next problem is. Jeremy was given $50 for his birthday. His grandma gave him another $20. What is the sum? What is the sum does Jeremy have? Or what is the sum? So now would be a great time to pause the video and find the math word in our word problem. Okay. Did you guys guess that our math word is sum? Amazing. Sum is a word that we use when we want to add our numbers together in our word problem. So now if you want to challenge yourself and solve the word problem, pause the video and give it a try. Make sure you use your checklist. Amazing. Way to go on challenging yourself. When you added 50 plus 20, did you get 70? Great job. You got 70. Now, if your answer was not 70, this is also a great time to pause the video and check your work. Try using manipulatives. This problem is a little tricky because let's remember when we add two zeros, we get 0. So all we are adding are the numbers in our tens column. So 5 plus 2. So give it another try and pause the video. Great work. Let's see what's our other word problem. Christy is baking treats. She baked 23 cookies and 27 cupcakes. How many treats did she bake all together? Now would be a great time to pause the video and find the addition math word. Awesome. So did you guess that our word is all together? Amazing. All together is a addition word that we use when we want to add problems in when we want to add numbers in word problems. Now, if you want to challenge yourself, you can pause the video and add 23 plus 27. Give it a go. Great job. Did you guys come up with the answer 50? 23 plus 27 is 50. That is amazing. Great job on challenging yourself. Well, guys, now it's worksheet time. But before you guys begin your worksheet, let's review our addition words. So our addition words are sum, join, add, all together, combine, more, and in all. When you see these words in your word problems, you will know that you need to add. So for Thursday and Friday, you guys, sorry about this, are going to underline the words in your word problems that let you know it's addition. And the best part is you have a really fun project to do. And your project is to make a giant plus sign, add a giant plus sign, and write all your math words in it and put it in your workstation so you can always look at it when you're doing your math work. So that's it for this week, guys. Great job on doing math. Bye.